Okay, so today we are going to review the different parts of the atom.
I love the atom.
The atom is wonderful. I have Miss Buck and Miss Suits with me right now, and we are all going to co-teach you this lesson. Okay, so reviewing the atom, you've got your central core, which is called the nucleus.
The nucleus, not like a cell.
Nope, no
No.
cells. No cells. Told you, no cells. Okay, so inside the nucleus, you've got little green structures, and we're going to call those protons. And protons are positive. We'll put 4 in here. Okay, so protons, and they are positive. Now, you've also got neutrons. Miss Suits, you want to put those neutrons in for us?
Sure.
Like Jimmy Neutron.
I'm going to make the neutrons blue. 'Cause I like
Blue.
blue. Now, the neutrons are neutrally charged. That means they have no charge. And let's just do 4 neutrons too. Does that sound good?
Yes,
Perfect.
that's good.
All right. So we're going to call this the neutron. And it is neutral. For
Neutral.
neutron.
Yeah,
No
it's
charge.
a good name.
It's very
It's a
good.
good name.
Neutral. I'm going to write no charge.
She's
I'm about
left-handed.
to run
Yes,
off.
I love left-handed people. I think it's so cool.
They're very
All
massive.
right.
Okay, so the outer part of the nucleus, Miss Buck, is what?
It's the electron cloud.
The electron
It
cloud.
is. It is.
This is where the electrons are housed.
They live there.
They live there, and they're just kind of whirling around the
Yeah.
outer part
Yes.
of the nucleus. So we can draw kind of the little electrons here, here,
Oh.
here, 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 here.
They're everywhere.
here. And their exact location at any given time is undetermined
Because they're
Okay.
going so fast.
because they're going so fast.
Wow.
Okay, so electrons, and electrons have a negative charge.
Oh.
Negative charge. Okay, and this area around here is the electron cloud. Now, every atom is very different from the other atom in the fact that they all have different numbers of protons. And it's the protons that actually determine what that particular atomic number is. And we've not really went over that, and that's the next lesson that we're going to cover. Okay, so today we are going to take an element square from the periodic table, and we're going to learn different parts of it. So we're going to look at lithium. Lithium has the number 3 here. It's got a little symbol Li. It's got the name, which is lithium, and then it's got the atomic number, which is, or atomic mass, that's 6.9. Okay, so we're going to learn about this and learn how the squares on the periodic table can tell us a lot about that particular atom, how many protons, neutrons, and electrons that we've got. Okay, so this number up here, this big number, your whole number, always your whole number, is the atomic number. Short, I need to grow taller. Okay, so atomic number for this particular element for lithium is 3. Okay, the atomic number tells us 2 things. The first and most important thing that the atomic number tells us is that the number of protons. Okay, the number of protons. So lithium has 3 protons. Now, because all atoms are neutral, the number of protons is going to be equal to the number of electrons. So instead of putting a plus here, we'll say the atomic number is the number of protons, and it's also the number of electrons. I'm running out of room there. So, lithium has 3 protons and 3 electrons. This is your atomic symbol, and we are going to be learning all about these symbols. This is the element's name. And then this number here that is a decimal is the atomic mass number. And the atomic mass number comes mostly from the nucleus. Most of the element's mass comes from its nucleus. And inside the nucleus, you've got protons and you've got neutrons. So I know my protons are 3. I know my electrons are 3. So how in the world do I find my number of neutrons? So we're going to write neutrons here. Here's how you find your neutrons. You take your mass number and you round it to the nearest whole number. So 6.9 will round to 7. You take your atomic number and you subtract that from 7. So 3 from 7 is 4. And that is your number of neutrons. So you've got 3 protons, 3 electrons, and 4 neutrons. Your atomic number, which is your whole number, is always your number of protons. Your electrons will be equal to that. And then your neutrons will be found from rounding your mass number to the whole number and subtracting your atomic number from it. I've got a worksheet that you're going to be working on. If you have any questions, then you will ask the teacher. Thank you.